Hello! Today we're looking at glasses mistakes that might be aging you. Wearing outdated or poorly fitted frames can instantly add years to your look. Mistake 1 is the droop. When frames sit too low, they draw the eyes downward and emphasize fine lines. Keep them adjusted high on the bridge. Second, avoid heavy, dark frames. They cast shadows under the eyes. Instead, try softer tones like navy or translucent frames to brighten your face. Third, don't cling to outdated trends. Modern classics like a soft cat eye or rounded panto shape are timeless and universally flattering. The right scale and color should complement your skin tone and hair, not compete with them. It's like an instant eye lift. Choose the right frames and stay youthful. Subscribe for more style tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you know that your glasses could be making you look years older than you actually are? Eyewear is more than just a tool for vision. It's a key accessory that defines your facial structure. Today, we're diving into 3 common mistakes that can age your face and how to fix them instantly. Let's start with mistake number 1, wearing outdated or droopy frames. If your frames bow downward at the outer corners, they visually drag all of your facial features down with them. This downward pull accentuates sagging skin and unfortunately highlights every fine line and wrinkle. To instantly combat this, you need to look for what we call the upward lift. Choose frames with an upswept shape, such as a classic cat eye or a modern browline style. These shapes create a natural, age-defying lifting effect on the face, drawing the eye upward. Mistake number 2 is choosing frames that are heavy, dark, or overly harsh for your complexion. While thick, black frames might be trendy, they can completely overpower a mature face. Because they cast harsh shadows, they actually draw the eye straight to dark circles and wrinkles. Instead, soften your look by opting for warmer colors that complement your skin tone. Translucent tones and tortoiseshell patterns are fantastic choices that add necessary warmth. They provide a polished look without the harshness of solid black, making your features pop. And finally, mistake number 3 is what I like to call the disappearing act. This happens when frames are so light or match your skin tone so closely that they lack definition. Without a frame to provide structure, your facial features can appear washed out and older. The solution? Choose a frame that offers just enough contrast to define your eyes. Thin metal frames in deep jewel tones like navy or burgundy can provide structure without being heavy. This definition helps frame your eyes and gives your face a more youthful, structured appearance. To recap, avoid droopy shapes, stay away from overly harsh colors, and don't let your glasses disappear. Instead, look for upward lifts, warm tones, and subtle definition to keep your look fresh. Remember, your eyes are often the first thing people notice, so investing in the right frames is worth it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips help you find the perfect age-defying frames for your face. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more style secrets. See you in the next video. Now for mistake number 3. Many people think thin wire frames are a safe choice because they are barely there. But wearing disappearing wire frames is a mistake because they lack the definition needed to brighten up your face and make you look vibrant. Instead of playing it too safe, look for frames that offer structure and a touch of color to actively bring life and definition back to your features. Mistake number 4. Sticking to the exact same style for years and ignoring your current face shape. Our faces change over time, and your glasses need to balance those changes out. It's all about opposites attracting. If your face is rounded, you need angular frames to provide structure. If you have a highly angular face, you need softer, rounded frames to balance it out. Finally, mistake number 5. Poorly fitted or incorrectly sized frames. Fit is crucial. If your frames are too small, they will pinch your temples and actively make your face appear wider and swollen. On the flip side, frames that are too large or sit too low on your nose make your face look entirely disproportionate. Always ensure a proper, comfortable fit to maintain a professional and put-together appearance. A great rule of thumb to check your fit is pupil alignment. Make sure your pupils are perfectly centered, both vertically and horizontally within the lenses. So, the next time you are shopping for glasses, remember these tips. Look for an upward lift, choose warm and structurally defining colors, balance your face shape, and always check that your pupils are centered. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to framing your face the right way.